Let me be very clear. Building a professional personal brand is not self-promotion. It is strategic risk management for your reputation, your income, and your next opportunity. Because visibility isn't vanity, it's safety. You can be incredible at what you do, but if decision makers don't see it, recognize it, or remember it, your opportunities stay limited. Building a personal brand is how you protect yourself from that. It's how you control the story that gets told about you instead of letting assumptions or algorithms do it for you. We talk a lot about ambition and confidence in professional life, but what we're really chasing is safety, significance, and belonging. That's what true status is, being trusted, respected, and chosen because people believe in your value. When you understand that, you stop seeing personal branding as performative and start using it as the smartest, most protective, and empowering career strategy you have. In this video, I'm breaking down the psychology of safety and status and how to use it to build a personal brand that attracts aligned opportunities faster than ever. When I started diving into mindset work during my second maternity leave, I wasn't looking for this lesson. I thought I was just learning how to teach stress management, burnout prevention, and career success. But what I discovered changed everything. I learned that humans are always seeking safety first and success second. That means no matter how ambitious or high performing we are, our brains are wired to crave predictability, approval, and connection because it makes us feel safe. And here's the twist most professionals miss. In modern life, status has become a proxy for safety. Money makes us feel safe. Titles make us feel safe. Logos make us feel safe. Recognition makes us feel safe. The more accepted we feel by our peers, by our colleagues, the safer we feel to be ourselves. But this creates a trap, right? We start confusing external validation with internal worth. And that's where burnout, overachievement, and imposter syndrome can creep in, even for the most accomplished professionals. When I connected the dots, all of this changed how I approached my own personal brand and now how I coach my clients, because I suddenly understood that personal branding isn't about projecting perfection or chasing clout. It's about creating a sense of physiological safety for yourself and the people around you. So when people feel safe trusting you, they choose you way more easily. And when you feel safe being fully seen, you stop performing and you start leading. Now, if you are watching this and realizing, wow, I've been chasing the next title, the next project, the next external win just to feel safe, pause, go take my career clarity assessment. It's a free 5-minute reflection on my website that helps you uncover what's really standing between you and your next exciting career opportunity. Because clarity is truly the first step towards confidence and safety in your career. So let's break this down step by step, because this is the piece that most personal brand content really misses. Truth number 1, status equals safety. Humans evolved to survive in groups. If your group or your collective valued you, you were protected. And if they didn't, you were out on your own. So your nervous system still interprets recognition as protection. When we're seen, trusted, and respected, we feel safe. When we are ignored or misunderstood, we feel anxious or threatened. That's why reputation and personal brand matter so much more than people realize. They're not vanity metrics, they're safety signals. Truth number 2, in the modern workplace, status equals belonging. Think about it. What gives you that sense of, I'm safe here? It's not just the paycheck. It's being trusted by your manager, respected by your peers, and seen as valuable by leadership. When we get called out in the workplace for doing something wrong or not meeting expectations, it's stressful because we feel like we are no longer safe. This is all social proof. It's your status within your professional ecosystem. And the more clear, credible, and consistent your personal brand is, the stronger that social proof becomes and the more secure you feel in your career. Truth number 3, women especially are conditioned to downplay status. From an early age, we're told not to be too loud or too proud or too much, but status is what gives you options. It's what opens doors, it increases your negotiating power, and it protects you when things change. So instead of downplaying it, I teach my clients to reframe status as impact and trust. When people trust your judgment, respect your work, and associate your name with excellence, that's status with substance. That's influence grounded in integrity. Truth number 4, authenticity and safety can coexist. Many professionals fear that building a brand means playing a game or becoming inauthentic or performing. But when you build your brand intentionally, you're not pretending. You are presenting your truth in a way that builds connection and credibility. It's not about being someone you're not. It's about letting the right people see where you're able to create value that serves the collective. You don't have to meet 1,000 people or network endlessly. Start connecting with people who share your interests, who share your goals, who work on the stuff that you're excited about. That's how you build real sustainable success, human to human. Because personal branding at its core is about human connection. And the more aligned and authentic that connection feels, the faster opportunities can find you. So let's rewrite the narrative. Building your personal brand is not about ego, it's about evolution. It's about honoring your human need for safety, belonging, and respect without letting those needs control you. Because when you stop judging yourself for wanting to be seen and start owning your value out loud, everything can change. You start showing up differently, you start attracting aligned opportunities, and you stop waiting for permission to grow into your next chapter. Visibility doesn't make you vain, it keeps you safe. Now, if you are ready to uncover what's really standing between you and your next exciting opportunity, take the Career Clarity Assessment today. It's free, it's quick, it'll help you identify the exact areas of your personal brand and career that need realignment so you can move forward with confidence. The link is below, and don't forget to hit subscribe so you don't miss the next episode, How to Build a Personal Brand That Opens Doors for Your Future Self. That's where I'll walk you through the step-by-step process to build your brand strategically without burnout, overexposure, or guesswork. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in the next episode.